One day, a large parcel came for the emperor. It was a little work of art in a box, an artificial nightingale, exactly like the living one, except that it was studded with diamonds, rubies, and sapphires. When the artificial bird was wound up, it could sing one of the songs the real one sang, and it wagged its tail, which glittered with silver and gold. Everybody said, "Oh, how beautiful!" It was just as great a success as the real one, and it was much prettier to look at, because it glittered like bracelets and breastpins. The real nightingale was banished from the kingdom.